So it's been quite an adventure this morning. Not for me, but for Letty. So if you're not subscribed to her channel, you need to, because it has been crazy for her. She'll tell you all about it. But so far, everything seems to be going. Oh my gosh, I shouldn't even say this. I got on my first flight. That went fine. I'm here in Dallas. I'll be getting on my next flight probably in about, well, we leave in an hour basically. So I'll probably start boarding in about 30 minutes. I was so hungry. I got a little sandwich from Panera and ate about half of it. I figured I'd just save the other half. They're pretty big sandwiches. If you don't like Panera, oh my god, Panera's really good. So anyway, I also got me a cookie. I'm on vacation. Like, I'm on vacation. So half the sandwich for healthy and then a cookie. Woohoo! That's what I need. This airport's like really nice. It was actually really easy to get around. They have kind of like a monorail type thing that takes you to the different terminals, and that was the thing that I was most concerned with, because I saw that I was going to be going to different terminals, and sometimes that can take a little while. So anyway, very easy. Got on. I was on there just a few minutes and then got off. So it went very fast. Anyway, very easy. I'd love to be able to come back here again. Letty and I have talked about coming and hiking in Texas when it's the colder part of the season, not when it gets hot. So then I'll be getting into Orlando. That's probably the next thing you're gonna see. Travel days. I made it. I'm staying at the Country Inn and Suites by the airport or something to that effect. Oh, I'll be here. Letty will be getting in around 11:30 tonight. That wasn't the plan. We were supposed to be at the airport together within 30 minutes of each other. But if you saw her video or will see her video, you'll understand why. So, she had a crazy travel day. Just quick look at the room. It is actually pretty much the same as almost the Hampton Inn, which is normally the one that we kind of stay in. I haven't even looked out the window to see if there's any good, what I can see. I'm on the 6th floor. I think it is the top floor. And that's what they gave me. I booked this through GoPort. There are a whole bunch of different hotels, so you don't have to use this one. What they did is when it says in the instructions to call Country Inn and Suites, called them. They scheduled a Lyft service to come pick me up, brought me here. It's very close to the airport. I think the ride was maybe 5 minutes or less. And, a little bit of traffic. And had a wonderful conversation with her. She is going to be, the driver is going to be leaving tomorrow morning to go, I think she's going to, Minneapolis. And so anyway, and she said her cruise was canceled. She was going to go on one that was up like in the northern area, in the Baltic area, and because of everything that's going on over there, her cruise was canceled. Very interesting. Get a lot of information when you talk with your drivers and stuff. So anyway, it was really fun to talk with her. Her name was Verissa. Very nice. Anyway, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to eat real quick, eat some food, and then I'm going to go, I'm going to call for a car service, and I'm going to go to the closest Walmart, which I had already checked out before even, we came over here, because we have a whole plan. Letty and I had a whole plan. It's not going as planned, but that's okay. That's the adventure of traveling. Well, I'm going to go to Walmart, and I'm going to pick up the sodas and the wine to take on the cruise ship. So that is what I'm going to be doing as soon as I finish eating. And it's actually beautiful over here. I saw some people say that yesterday it was raining here in Orlando, but not today. It's absolutely gorgeous. Nice blue sky. So I'm going to I'm going to eat my food, rest for a minute, and then off to Walmart. All right. Successfully made it back from Walmart. It actually wasn't too bad. It was about $10 there, $10 back, something like that. It averaged out about that. Plus, you know, you give them a tip and stuff, so that's always good. Anyway, got the soda, got the wine, and we got Coke Zero, and then we got sparkling water. So those are the things we wanted, and then 2 bottles of wine, because we can each bring on a bottle of wine and a 12-pack of soda for each per adult. Anyway, got that. Now it is time to relax. It has been a very long day. I've been up since 3. This week has been crazy with work. Crazy. Probably, and it seems like it's always the busiest right before, you know, you leave, because then you have to really do kind of 2 weeks worth of work. That's in my case. Do 2 weeks worth of work, because I have to do all of next week's this week. I did that, and I've been answering emails today. So you just got to do what you got to do, so that way I don't come back to like a crap load of stuff. That's kind of how I see it in my head. In fact, I'll probably be answering a few emails on quieter days, you know, when maybe I'm just sitting there resting or something, to answer some emails, so kind of get them off my plate. I got a lot done yesterday. It was like a this week was jam-packed every single day, pretty much. But I was able to go see my granddaughter do her poem recital, and unfortunately I can't show you because it's a group of kids, and so obviously I don't want to show the other kids, but anyway, it was super cute. So I was able to go see that, and then there's just a lot happening, you know, so you don't know, if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. My cousin broke his leg, and it's, you know, one of those workman's comp things, so of course that's another story in itself, and that I'm actually probably never share, but anyway, so we're dealing with that, and that's a slow process. So anyway, okay, all right, now it's time to relax. Watch a little TV. Yeah. All right. The woman is finally here. She's here. Oh my gosh. Took forever.
It took me all day. I will never travel the day before. I will always travel
2 days.
The day before the day before.
The day before the day before.
Yes.
All right. We're going to go
2
eat.
2 days. Yes. You know what?
All right. So we're here.
We'll get everybody in this building to subscribe to.
All right, we're here, and so Letty was talking, and so hers is still full, and I just like drank it. All right, we're finally eating. It's about 1 a.m. Lovely steak and shrimp, so good. And the waiter, Aaron, is so nice. So thank you, Aaron, for subscribing and for being such a great human being. Okay, so Letty is busy filming and walking back. Dinner was so good. Aaron was so nice, our waiter. Always good when we have really good people, you know, out there in the world, and it was just nice. He came, sat down afterwards. We were the last people in there. You can't even see me. We were the last people in there, and it was just really, really nice. It's very dark, but it only is going to take just a few minutes to walk back. Oh my gosh, it's so dark. You can't see me. It is what it is. Okay, let's see if you can see me right here. There's a little light. There I am. All right. It was so good. All right, back in the light. Oh, so we had such a good time. But it's almost 2 a.m. and we have to get up early. Oh, and I have to go pee. And this girl is just a walk-in. So there's like a little area over here across the street from Country Inn and Suites. There's a lot of hotels around here. but it's like a water area. And we were walking over to the restaurant. Letty goes, "Oh my gosh, I hope an alligator doesn't come out and try to eat us."
I was so worried about a damn alligator.
Most places, I mean, I think you can kind of get around on your own if you want to, but if you want to do something like a little bit different, I always say, I always like to have like a little different, like a little historical, and then a little adventure, and then a little like relaxation. So that's kind of how I like break up my cruise ports. And I think so, like with San Juan, we're just gonna like walk around and eat. I don't think that's our ship.
Mardi Gras, we got like a roller coaster thing. It's like
Oh yeah, both.
it doesn't last very long. It's very short.
I told her, I said, you have to go on the roller coaster with me. She's not happy, but she's gonna go.
I mean, I've been on roller coasters and stuff, but ever since, I got older,
You're talking about 15 seconds.
Yeah, my understanding it's super short.
They all go fishing.
Oh,
Those
Sea-Doos,
that's
yeah.
basically what that roller coaster is.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
You control the speed.
Almost like a motorcycle.
Well, more like that.
Yeah.
I guess you control it.
Like it.
You guys have a fabulous time.
All those
Thank you.
Terminal
backers where the
3.
roller coasters are.
Should have taken a picture.
Excited. Oh, look at everybody.
Yeah.
Okay,
Ooh, look at everybody.
into Terminal 3.
Hi, Letty. Here we are. It is freaking cruise day. Yeah, baby.